Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to make something truly scrumptious, a classic chocolate cake. This recipe is so easy, you'll be whipping up this delicious treat in no time. Now, let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, grab a large mixing bowl and combine 1 cup all-purpose flour, cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 cups granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. Give it a good mix, and set it aside. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together 2 eggs, 1 cup whole milk, cup vegetable oil, and 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract. Slowly pour this mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring as you go. Once it's all combined, pour the batter into a greased 9x13-inch baking pan. Now, here's the secret to making this cake extra moist. Pour 1 cup boiling water over the batter. Yes, boiling water. This will give your cake the perfect texture and moisture. Bake the cake for about 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool completely before frosting. For the frosting, grab another large mixing bowl and combine 1 cup unsalted butter, cup cocoa powder, 2 cups powdered sugar, cup heavy cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Mix it all together until it's smooth and creamy. Spread the frosting over the cooled cake, and voila! You've got a delicious chocolate cake that's perfect for any occasion. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Happy baking, everyone!